Have a seat. You're most welcome to this committee. My name is Chairperson for this committee. I want to invite you very much. I also want to take this opportunity.
The committee.
Thank you. Thank you. Where they'll be using a language mostly, I think, German. And
a diplomat must represent the country in which has selected him in a very good standards. That's the demeanor of the ambassador itself speaks even without the ambassador speaks. Now to you, as Dr. Walio, you know very well that like something like Shisha has been banned in Kenya, and to you know you are a fan of Shisha, you are an addict of the same. What are you going to do about it? Can you please tell us? Please, please, please. It's very necessary.
I don't remember that issue being discussed in cabinet at all. It was almost a unilateral decision made by the then Minister for Health, as far as I know. And I saw it in the newspapers just like anybody else.
You have been having a very wonderful time with the executive. You are going to a foreign country. Will you not misuse that relationship that was more personal?
I'm a very humble human being. I'm a very humble human being. And I have never used my position to intimidate, harass anybody.